Alright, so this is how it's sitting right now. It's got some S71s on it, 15 by 10s in the rear, 17 by 5s in the front. Aerospace Pro Streets in the rear with the BMR suspension kit. Same thing in the front, some drilled and slotted rotors. I need to get it paint corrected bad, but this is how it's sitting right now. Took off the windshield tint, so the windshield looks like shit with all that adhesive on it. But it's just a daily driver, man, so this is how it sits, man. Let's see what it sounds like when I start it up. Kirkey seat. I'm cleaning it out right now, so glass. But lately, when I've been running it, I've been taking out the passenger seat and running it like that. So basically, if I take the passenger seat out, this is basically how it's sitting whenever it goes out to go run. So it's still got a stock converter in it right now. I got some other pieces for the car as well that I'll probably drop in the video right now. Also picked this up this weekend. Bottom half. The CTSV lid for it. Inside view. $49,000 miles on it. Basically put 40,000 miles on it since I bought it. So man, this car has given me no issues, by the way. It had like a bad, man, I forgot what it was. Something in the rear with the, like my speed sensor or something like that. I forgot. It was a pain in the ass, but I had it warranted. Let me pop the hood real quick. VCM OTR. TSP long tubes. Ported throttle body and manifold by Chewy. And it is tuned by JRX or TRC at the moment, but with the parts that I got, I'm probably gonna switch tuners to probably GPI, just cause it's email and I don't have to worry about like trailering to the spot and all that. I can do it all through home, cause my broke ass don't have a truck or trailer yet, so we just mobbing through with this bitch right now. Just left XRP. This shit got dirty, even though I washed it. It's dusty. But before I had it on the F14 pack. I just recently got this S71 pack on.